Yeah, well, how are they going to do this next one?
Daddy's retirement session.
So you think they'll have to go to the post
Showing a
office and pick it
haircut.
up, or go Pam would know?
Isn't he cute?
Yeah. All right, thanks.
Final papers. He has his private sessions. He's so glad to be gone. Living the dream.
Okay. All right.
Another day in paradise. He's almost 55. Going to Ryan's. He got his new house. Tomorrow it's closing. And
Question, on open season, will they send out pamphlets to compare health? Okay. So that would all be taken up with OPM if I need pamphlets or brochures.